The NTP Server feature has been added to the 5.7 installation wizard. The current NTP feature on the Network General page has been duplicated onto the install wizard. The NTP status is enabled by default, but can be disabled by the user. If enabled, the user must enter an IP address and click the save icon to continue. VideoEdge 5.7 no longer supports TLS version 1.0. Navigate to System, Security Configuration, Remote Access. The red highlighted section has been removed from VideoEdge 5.7. OEM installs will have TLS version 1.2 only. Upgrades will disable TLS version 1.0 if it was previously enabled. Navigate to System, Security Configuration, Security Audit. The TLS version 1.0 enabled column has been removed. Please note, if you are using a pre-4.9.1 version of Victor and you have added your recorders using the Secure Connection option, you should upgrade Victor before upgrading to VideoEdge 5.7. Changing certain configuration settings in VideoEdge will now require reauthentication. Navigate to System, Security Configuration, Remote Access. Reauthentication will be required when changing remote access configuration settings. Enter the admin password and click OK. If the password is entered incorrectly, an authentication error will be displayed. If the password is entered correctly, the settings will be updated. Reauthentication will be required when changing the remote web access settings. Reauthentication will also be required when enabling or disabling HTTP and changing HTTP or HTTPS ports. The same principles apply when disabling Linux shell auto logout or altering the auto logout interval. Reauthentication will be required when enabling or disabling SNMP. If non-alphanumeric characters are typed into the read-only community text box, an error message will be displayed. Reauthentication will also be required when enabling or disabling LDAP. Support for the Exacq recorder in the Tyco Analytic Appliance has been removed in prior releases. In Tyco Analytic Appliance 5.7, the functionality has been removed from the GUI. Please note this only affects the Tyco Analytic Appliance. When adding a device, only two options will be displayed: VideoEdge and RTSP. The ability to add Exacq recorders to the TAA unit has now been removed. Please note this is not to be confused with the Exacq handler functionality, which is still supported.